ClaudyQuim. I'm new here in YouTube. First look to share with you guys is the grunge makeup. I'm not a professional, so please bear with me. Let's get started. First, apply your moisturizer. Next, I'm going to apply Maybelline's BB cream all over my face, down to my neck. Next is concealer. I'm now going to apply it to my eye bag, T-zone, and other parts where I want to conceal. Let's move on to the eyebrows. Today, I'll be using Essence No. 2 Brown that I bought from Watson's. Just follow the shape of your brow. Brush it. And now, we're going to apply some black eyeliner to the tail of my eyebrow for a gradient effect. Now, the next part is going to be easy. All we have to do is use brown eyeshadows. Let's start from the lighter one to the darkest. The secret is blending well. You don't have to do it perfectly because this is a grunge look, meaning a look that is more on the dirty side. Don't forget your lower lash line. Let's apply liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to make a small wing for this look. Curl your lashes and put your falsies. Apply a little bit of highlighter to the corner of your eyes. I have like an oval face shape, so I'm going to apply it to the side and to my jawline. Also, don't forget the side of your forehead. Last is lips. For this look, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lip Hydration. Apply in the outer part of your lips. And then I'm going to use Ever Belena's Advanced Lipstick in Red Twilight for the inner part of my lips. Blend it using your finger. And there you have it! The grunge look by yours truly. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion or requests, feel free to leave a comment below. Love lots!